God is saying to you today, I will bring you out of the darkest hour and use it to promote you. My child, come to me with great expectation, knowing that I am your God. I am bringing you out of frustration. I am bringing you out of limitation. I am bringing you into a place of fulfillment and favor like never before. The delay is over. Be encouraged and of good cheer in the season. I am your source. Trust in me that I am doing what you have asked me to do. Type yes if you agree with this.